Hey everybody, this is Josh Dicus from Dicus Enterprises coming to you with another quick product review here. So this time it's going to be a Harbor Freight Pittsburgh brand, what they consider their professional series half-inch drive ratchet. So I purchased this probably about a week, 2 weeks ago, because my Matco one was broken and I needed one ASAP. So I didn't have a time to wait for a Matco guy to get me a replacement or to get that one rebuilt. So have to do what you have to do every now and then. Now, as you'll notice, it is a flex head unit, so it does bend and move. It does not lock into position. It's all free moving. I'm not a big fan of that. I like the click style that kind of locks into place. I find those to be a little bit more handy. Now, overall, this is not a bad wrench for the price. Ratchet, sorry. Not a bad ratchet for the price. My one big concern with this entire ordeal is the actual Torx head that holds the head on. So, if you'll take a look at that Torx bolt, you'll notice it's backed out, and it's backed out a decent amount. It's not just a little bit. You can see there's a big old gap in there. All of the head's already out of it, and this was only after one time of use. Had to replace a rear bumper on a 2019 Chevy Colorado ZR1 and needed this to break a couple of bolts loose and then tighten them up when we put the new one on. And just from that one use, when I was done, I happened to notice that was backing out. So, not a big fan of that myself. I'd like to see, a little bit of Loctite or something put on those from the factory, or have them actually, torque to spec, that way they don't back out. Either way, I'm going to end up removing that. I'm going to put a little bit of red Loctite on it and then put it back in. That way it doesn't back itself out, because as you can imagine, if you're, really putting some pressure on something, trying to break it loose or tighten it, and, you don't notice that's backing out and that comes loose and breaks, and the head separates from the body of the ratchet, it's going to cause some serious issues. So, not something that we really want to see happen. Other than that, though, overall, it's a good quality ratchet. The handle on it, it's not super soft, it's not squishy or anything like that. You can get a firm, good grip on it. It seems to be made out of somewhat decent material, smooth action on it. It's not real choppy. When you're ratcheting on it, it's actually really smooth and really nice. I was shocked at how well it worked, minus the issue with the main bolt backing out. And as you can see right there, it's kind of hard to zoom in on, but it's backed out probably, I'd say, a good 4 threads. So it moved out a good bit just for the one time it was used. So overall, though, I'd have to give it probably about a 3-star rating. Personally, I'm a Matco guy myself, but in a pinch, this isn't bad for a work truck or something like that, where you're concerned about having, high name brand tools on board and things possibly being stolen. I think this would be a, very good alternative. First thing I'd do, though, is definitely take the time to go over it and remove that bolt right there, and put a little bit of Loctite on it, and then, send it back home. That way you don't have any issues with it backing out. Other than that, though, not a bad product. So that's going to be it this time. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also head over to our Facebook and Instagram page for more videos and photos of what we're working on. Catch you guys later.